Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tether XLM in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. What's the price change occurs in the Tether XLM, what's the high price of Tether XLM in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. If you listen my voice, please my brothers help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see what's the price prediction occurring in Tether XLM in the previous last 1 hour and the previous last 2 hours. First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of the Tether XLM. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely bad news for all Tether XLM holders. As you can see here, they are falls down at this position. But after this falls, now currently at this situation, they are take a jump, as you can see, and currently they are in the jump. They are goes to moon. Maybe they goes upward and maybe they goes downward in the future. We can't say about that, but that is the reality. As you can see now on the graph, they are falls down, but currently they are jumping upward. As you can see here, the changes is about negative 2.64% chance occur in a Tether XLM in the previous last 2 hours. You are watching now, and the high price of Tether XLM is about $0.400625 is the high price of Tether XLM in the last 2 hours. Now let's see this live price prediction of last 2 hours. Let's see the last 1 hour result of Tether XLM. What's going in the last 1 hour of Tether XLM? That's a live price prediction of Tether XLM you are watching now. Oh my god, it's absolutely good news for us Tether XLM that in the last 1 hour they start jumping upward. As you can see here, they are start jumping in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, currently they are in the jump. So maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they goes down in the future. So if we talk about this hour, the last 1 hour of Tether XLM, so the changes in the last 1 hour is positive. As you can see now on the screen, positive 1.15% chance occur in a Tether XLM, and the high price of Tether XLM is about $0.0389951 is the high price of Tether XLM. That's a live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hours. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.